On this episode of Western Roundup, we take you to the Black River Hospital where they recently received baby-friendly hospital status. Then we head to Trelawney where we hear from farmers who received tanks under government small, medium and tourism enterprise program. Stick around.
The Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth is the 7th and latest facility to be designated baby-friendly across the island. A baby-friendly hospital aims to give every baby the best start in life by creating a healthcare environment that promotes breastfeeding. This is an accomplishment the staff at the Black River Hospital are pleased with, having worked tirelessly to achieve this status.
And we literally ate, breathed and slept baby friendly. It's one of those instances in which you see an entire community, an entire hospital pulled together, and it was actually heartwarming. I now know that we are ready to pull together to make B status happen. So finally we got the green light and finally we exhaled, and it was worth it. It was worth it.
Speaking during the certification ceremony, Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. Christopher Tufton commended the team and hailed the initiative as successful, while expressing gratitude to the stakeholders for facilitating its implementation in Jamaica.
While we are in a work in progress, this is a successful initiative that has been taken seriously. Compliments to UNICEF and the WHO PAHO as the key multilateral partners, and the team, the local team, where we have partnered, recognized the importance of maternal care, baby-friendly designation in our institutions, and the results are clearly here to show. It is not as easy as it seems. Baby-friendly is a nice buzzword, but to actually get the stamp of approval, there are a lot of things that you have to do. There's a lot of training that has to take place, a lot of infrastructure adjustment that have to take place, and more often than not, those things require time, effort, and resources. Mostly a commitment to the cause.
The Baby Friendly Hospital initiative was launched by UNICEF and the World Health Organization in 1991. The other facilities already certified are Princess Margaret Hospital in St. Thomas, Alexandria Community Hospital in St. Anne, Port Antonio Hospital in Portland, Port Maria Hospital in St. Mary, Lioneltown Hospital in Clarendon, and the Mandeville Regional Hospital in Manchester. Over in Trelawney, farmers are expressing gratitude to the Ministry of Tourism and its stakeholders for the donation of 5,650-gallon water tanks.
Receiving this tank has helped me a lot because I'm a farmer. During the span of time that I did not have the tank, it was hard. But now that I have received the tank, I'm so grateful. It has helped me a lot. And I want to thank everybody. I'm a farmer. I do pepper, cabbage, lettuce, and I am very grateful for the tank. Before the tank, it's like, the drought and all of that, they have a little problem, but now I get the tank, I think things will be much, much better. I am so grateful for it.
The tanks were donated under the ministry's Small, Medium and Tourism Enterprise Program, which enables players in that sector to command a larger share of the tourism dollar.
Now this program is coming to Ulster Spring and its environment today as a part of a wider government policy and initiative to bring more of the ordinary Jamaican into the big, long, tall, and a nice word called elongated value chain of tourism. A lot of people believe that tourism is about only what happens in the hotel. That's a little part, yes. But would you believe that 42% of all the money that a tourist spend when they come to a Jamaica, to a place, is on what? Food.
That's all for the program today. As usual, thank you for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobi@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, take care.